As photographers, especially as sports photographers, we don't always work in the best conditions. Sometimes they're very harsh. Late Friday nights, coming home from a Friday night football game, you're running through the parking lot, it is downpouring rain. Maybe you're on the baseball field in the middle of the summer and there are dust tornadoes blowing everywhere. You want to make sure that your equipment stays safe, clean, and dry. So, with Condition One, they are IP67 certified, and that's going to give you an airtight seal around the internal part of the cover. So it's going to keep your gear waterproof, it's going to keep it dustproof, and it's going to keep it secure, safe, clean, and dry, no matter what conditions that you are working with.